Just come onto this website, create a pin like this, follow me along, and I will tell you how to make hundreds of dollars to Pinterest every day. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make money on Pinterest in 2021. This method is entirely beginner friendly and this doesn't require any investment, equipment or skills to get started. But before we move on, I want to give you a small disclaimer. The following video will be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, I cannot guarantee that this approach will or will not work for you. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the step number 1. But before that, subscribe to our channel with notification on and hit the like button. So in step number 1, come on to Pinterest.com. Once you come onto Pinterest.com over here, you can see the Pinterest web page. Now over here, Pinterest is a website that will let you make money off of simple blog posts, and this website will give you tremendous traffic. Now this website looks something like this. What if I were to tell you that people are making thousands of dollars from Pinterest as part-time income? This is not even their full-time income. You can also make this money if you put in the time and effort that I will show you in this video and follow this along step by step. Suppose you were to look at the entire website in itself, like they have a very lovely presentation look. So anyone who comes onto Pinterest gets happy, has a good mood. Now click on the top right corner where it says sign up. Once you click there, choose your email address, create a secure password, put in your age, click continue, and that's it. And your account will be created. So in step number 2, once you have signed in successfully, you will see your customized homepage. When you were signing up, they could have asked you a couple of questions. Depending upon how you answer those questions, you will see a very unique dashboard in front of you. So you will see all the pictures that you have liked personally, which Pinterest thinks you like. Now click the bottom right corner where it says plus and click create up. This is where the magic happens, and this is from there you can actually start to get a lot of traffic towards your page. Now come onto the website called sites.google.com and open up a new tab, and over here type in how to make money online, or basically anything that you want. I will type in how to make money online. After that, open up this blog post. So you can open up any blog post as long as the information is authentic. So now copy each of the text on this website and come onto websites or google.com. Create a new website and then paste the whole text uniformly from over right here in this website so that the entire website looks wonderful. I will not do that in this video because that way the video will be 2 hours long. But I will do the main thing so that you can understand what I am talking about. So for example, copy this title, paste it over right here, change the font to something more attractive, and then on the right side you will see even more options regarding your text, a theme and overall colors. But if you don't, take a look over here. Here is the text color. I will do this white and now it's highly prominent. I don't like the font personally, so I will change it to another theme so that it looks a lot far better, and that's exactly how it looks, extremely great. So now grab a textbook and paste it over here, or double click on the text box. So now you have 2 text boxes. Come by here, copy this, come right here and paste it over here. Copy the next bullet points present over here and similarly paste those points over here. Now do the same procedure until you have the whole article or generally have sufficient that the information is valuable. Once you have that done, you have your website. Change it to Make Money Online title, and now you have a good looking website. If you were to click on the top to change all of this, change the image to like something that is over right here on this web page. Choose something catchy for the eye. Type in money over here, wait for a few seconds and then pick a very attractive picture. So I will pick this picture and now I have a good looking web page in front of me. Now click publish, and that is basically in a custom web page URL. Type in Earn Money Online Official. After that, click on publish. If it says it's already taken, put some numbers in front of it, like your birth year or your official birthday or something that you can remember. Once you publish this, you will have your website URL. So copy this website URL from the search bar, come back to Pinterest, paste it over right here in the destination web link. Now in the main title, write here are ways to earn money online. Make sure to write this in capital case generally. It means that you make the first letters all capital. Now that the text looks highly engaging and makes it far easier to read when looking at it for the first time. Now from over here, upload a picture about money on the website. Go to your download, pick a picture about money or generally something about money. I will choose this picture, click save. Before you save this, put in a title like top ways to make money online or more. Now you have an overall nice looking article. Click on select. After that, from over right here, type in money. If you don't have any board, leave this, click on assembly and click on save. But if you don't see any options, click on the drop down button, then click on create board and enter money. After that, click create and now you have your board all set up and now you can publish your pin by clicking the save button. Then within a couple of seconds, your board is all set up and your post is all set up. This is exactly how your post looks when people look at it for the first time. After that, they can go to your website. Now, Pinterest gets 550 million visitors every single month. So, you will definitely get a great deal of traffic onto your particular website. Now, the trick is once you have a lot of websites coming onto your specific blog, you can go to website like media.net and over right here, you can monetize your website's name. Then you can tell them that my website gets thousands of people every single month. After that, you will certainly meet people willing to pay you money, hundreds of dollars, to place their ads onto your blog post. So that is how you can make a lot of money through Pinterest utilizing this entire method. You even have Google Adsence, but I would not recommend that because Google Adsence doesn't pay that much money. Yet a website like media.net pays you a great deal of money. And I would recommend this in any time. So make sure you choose this and you will not regret it. So the more blogs you have, the more opportunities you have and at the end of the day, you will have a lot of traffic. Make sure to plan your whole procedure, how will you monetize, exactly how will you use this particular service and more. Keep all of that in mind because it will happen fast. So this was the video and if you get value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to let us know how much money you make using this strategy in the comments below. Thanks for watching and as always, I will see you in the next one.